First, I'm going in with some concealer and applying that all over my eyelid, and then setting that with a nude color eyeshadow. Next, I'm going in with a fluffy eyeshadow brush and applying a peach eyeshadow into the crease of my eyes and blending that back and forth using windshield wiper motions. On top of the peach, I am adding a hot pink shade and applying that to the outer crease and then just blending that inwards. Now I'm going in with a deep purple shade and applying that to the outer V of my eyelids and blending that inwards. Next, I'm applying a beautiful bright turquoise shade to the eyelid. Next, I'm applying a turquoise shimmer shade onto the eyelid and just packing that on with my fingers. Now I'm taking that same purple shade and applying that on my bottom lash line and just smoking it out. Next, I'm applying a turquoise shade to the inner part of my bottom lash line and just buffing that out with my fingers. I'm also applying black eyeliner to my bottom lash line just to really intensify this look. Moving on to the face, I'm applying a foundation all over my face and applying concealer under my eyes, on my chin, under my nose, and on my forehead. Next, I'm filling in my brows with a brow pencil and just shaping them as I normally would. To finish up the eye look, I'm applying a gorgeous highlight to the inner corner of my eyes and below my brows, and I'm also applying black mascara. To add some color to my cheeks, I'm applying a pinky peach shade to the apples of my cheeks and then going on top of that with my favorite cream blush from Physicians Formula. It adds such a gorgeous dewiness and it just really brings the entire look together. Next, I'm adding a gorgeous iridescent highlighter from Wet n Wild on top of the cheekbone and to the tip of my nose. Next, I'm creating faux freckles using some white face paint and a small detail brush and just placing them beside my nose, and then I'm going on top of that with that same highlighter shade. To finish up this look, I'm going in with a bright pink lipstick and then going on top of that with a glittery lipstick that just makes it look so pretty. I absolutely love how this colorful fairy look turned out and think it would be so cute for Halloween. Head to the blog for all the product details and don't forget to subscribe.